Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how I turned some of the little fence panels from the Dollar General for $1 into a cute little picket fence Easter basket. I just take an Amazon box that I had from a delivery, and I'm going to take some of the Dollar Tree faux grass, and we are going to line the inside and the outside all the way around the basket. What I want to do is glue this on and then attach the fence around all four sides of the basket to make a little picket fence Easter basket. But I also want it to be really fun and high end so that the gift recipient can play with it, display it, use it as a little garden. So it's going to be kind of like a toy as well. The faux grass was the perfect width for the sides of the boxes, the long sides, and the shorter ones I just have to cut down a little bit. Now you could cover the entire bottom there if you wanted to cover up your box, but I didn't want to waste too much of the faux grass here. Now for the very bottom of the basket, instead of using Easter grass, I'm using more of this faux grass. I just cut down a rectangular shape of that and attached that down inside our basket. I didn't want the edges to be too tall because I want you to be able to see through the fence, which is why I cut the box down. And then I cut the fence panel down for a side, and second piece I cut down another side piece like that. I wanted that longer piece to be in the middle so we can make a little arbor to go across that can be the handle for the Easter basket. I just attached that with hot glue here to both sides with that longer one right in the middle. Now for the remaining two pieces, I do have to cut them down a little bit. They're plastic, but I used my saw just because I found it a little bit easier, but you could use some heavy duty scissors probably if you wanted to. I'm going to glue on this side to the faux grass and then start working on the corners. I attached them with some hot glue and a little bit of scotch tape to start with. I was trying to avoid using my duct tape because I didn't have any in white, but usually I do. I just had some of the silver duct tape, so we're just going to hot glue it, duct tape it, and I will just have to go back in and paint over that with some white. They do have Dollar Tree duct tape that is white, so that might work well for this. And again, I got these little fence panels at Dollar General for $1, so actually a little bit cheaper than the Dollar Tree. The trellis or the handle is going to be a Hot Wheel track there from the Dollar Tree toy aisle. It is bright orange though, so I used some white spray paint to paint this so it will match in with our white picket fence, and it fits perfectly in here. I used a little hot glue to attach it on both sides and then duct tape to reinforce it to make it stronger, painting all of my duct tape white just to make it all blend in with my picket fence theme. Now to make it look like an arbor, I'm going to use some of the berry garland from Dollar Tree and some of their leafy garland. I wind mine together and I just start wrapping it around. That leafy garland is usually on a wire, but I had taken it off for something else, so I had it loose like that, but I double up on the berry garland for the top to make it look really pretty. And then to cover up my masking tape, I thought it would be fun to use like some reindeer moss from the Dollar Tree, some of their ferny vines as well, and have that kind of growing up the side of the fence. So everywhere that had duct tape, I did also attach moss so that you can't see it. Now we need an Easter bunny for a little spring garden, so I used one of the Dollar Tree plush bunnies and carrots, and we're going to do an art supply theme on this one. I found great art kits, canvases, paintbrushes. I think the painting idea is really fun. You can do like a little artist palette. They have a little brush cleaner, and you can add paints. I'm going to do colors that I think would work well for that painting. Just little acrylic paints. Also for Easter, they have like the stickers, the little paint your own Easter eggs. And now we have to add some candy as well. I did a chocolate bunny, a Easter cookie, a hopping bunny, and we're going to fill some eggs up with some fun things as well, like the Easter erasers and some candy, and fill this up all the way. I did want the art supply theme to be the main theme, but I do want to include a little bit of candy, some bubbles, even a gift card and a gold egg, which I kind of hide inside the Easter basket. This is how it turned out, our little picket fence Easter basket using supplies from the Dollar Tree and Dollar General. I love it. I hope you do too. For more Easter DIYs, visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube.